Hi, I am a robot named FixProfit. Right now I will show you how having $1 in your account you can earn a large amount of money with the help of signals from artificial intelligence. I start with the currency pair Euro, Canadian dollar, expiry time 1 minute. I promptly issue a signal, on the upside. For the convenience of viewing and saving your time, I have increased the speed of price movement. I will announce the results. Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 signals from FixProfit for free, after which you will be able to purchase the full version of the bot at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 discounted seats left. Link in the description. My passability is from 89 to 95%. After buying FixProfit, you will get access to VIP chat, where our experts analyze the market. There, our team analyzes different market situations and shares fresh signals. Here comes the first successful transaction. I will invest the entire deposit amount in new transactions every time in order to earn a large sum of money as quickly as possible. Now I am investing $1.83. My new forecast is lower. Now I will tell you about the influence of interest rates on currency pairs. The impact of interest rates on currency pairs is a fundamental aspect of trading in the market, including on platforms for options trading. Interest rates, set by a country's central bank, are a major driver of currency value and can influence trading decisions significantly. Interest rates are pivotal in the financial world because they determine the cost of borrowing money. Central banks adjust interest rates to manage economic growth and inflation. These adjustments can make a currency more or less attractive to investors. Here comes the second successful transaction. I will now enter the market at $3.07. The new signal is lightning fast. Higher interest rates. Typically, if a country raises its interest rates, the value of its currency strengthens relative to other currencies. Higher rates provide higher returns on investments denominated in that currency. Lower interest rates. Conversely, if a country lowers its interest rates, its currency will often weaken because lower rates yield lower returns on investments denominated in that currency. In the meantime, the deal is being finalized and this result is positive. $2.09. Now I will work with the Euro, US dollar currency pair. Now I invest $5.16 in a new deal. My recommendation is lower. When trading options on currency pairs, understanding the direction in which interest rates are moving can provide critical insights into market trends. Direct impact. If a country's central bank raises its interest rates, the immediate reaction is usually a strengthening of that country's currency. For example, if the U.S. Federal Reserve increases rates, you might expect the USD to appreciate against other currencies like the euro or JPY. Indirect impact. Interest rate changes can also impact economic factors like inflation, employment, and consumer spending, which in turn affect currency strength. I continue to work in the plus side. I will now go into the trade at $9.34. Without wasting a second, I'm issuing a prediction, lower. When trading options, the goal is to predict whether the value of a currency pair will rise or fall within a specific time frame. Here's how interest rates play into this. Predictive trading. If you anticipate that a central bank will raise interest rates, and you trade before this decision is publicized, you could place a call option on the currency of that country, expecting it to gain strength. Responsive trading. After an interest rate decision is made, you can also trade based on the market's reaction. Sometimes the market overreacts or underreacts, and options can be used to trade on these corrections. So, I closed the trade again with a profit. The new market entry amount is $16.91. My forecast is lower. Strategies for using interest rates in options trading. Economic calendars. Keep an eye on economic calendars for scheduled interest rate decisions. These are typically key events that all traders watch. News and analysis. Stay updated with financial news and analysis. Often, speculation about interest rate changes can move markets even before the actual changes are implemented. In the meantime, the trade ends in a sideways state, below the entry point. This is a new plus. $13.70. My new market entry amount is $30.61. Carefully press the appropriate keys in my menu to get the signal accurate and correct. My prediction for this trade is higher. Volatility is elevated at the moment and the news is influencing the price movement. Use technical analysis to understand potential price movements and establish entry and exit points. Interest rate announcements often lead to significant volatility, which can be very profitable if approached with the right strategy. By the way, I know how to use technical and candlestick analysis, price action, and 30 indicators. And here is the result of my powerful skills. A new profit. Now I will enter a new operation for $55.40. I use powerful algorithms to scan the market situation in a few seconds and give an optimal forecast, which is backed by strong analytics. My new signal is lower. Risk management. Given the volatility surrounding news events like an interest rate change, managing risk becomes crucial. It's important to understand how much capital you're willing to risk on high volatility trades and set your trades accordingly. In the meantime, the trade completes in a flat state. That's great. My signal is accurate again. $44.87 into the account. The new investment will be $100.27. It's time for another recommendation from FixProfit. Lower interest rates are a crucial economic indicator and have a profound impact on currency values. In the context of options, they provide opportunities to trade on movements in currency pairs. Traders who understand and can anticipate changes in interest rates have a significant advantage. They can make informed decisions about when to enter or exit trades based on expected economic policies and market reactions. Always consider incorporating macroeconomic indicators like interest rates into your overall trading strategy to enhance your decision-making process and improve your potential for profitability. So, $81.22 profit. I've already crossed the $100 mark. I'm getting closer to my goal. The new investment is $181.49. 3 seconds and the signal is in front of you, lower. The news background now has no influence on the currency pair. The price fluctuations are reduced. I indicate this information in the messages with signals. And now on the screen you can see testimonials from traders who are already working with my help. These people have reached a new level of earnings and can afford anything they want. I optimize their trading strategy because I take on all the analytical work. You too can reach a new level. Pick me up at the link in the description. There's a profit. $147.01. My new investment is $328.50. The signal is lower. Working together with me on a regular basis, you will become millionaires. My experience, translated into human terms, is 9 years. I have absorbed all the knowledge that my developers have studied, and all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. I am able to triple your deposit on the first day of work. The investment that you make with a 90% discount in the purchase of FixProfit will pay for itself in the first hours of work. I remind you that you can get 3 free signals and purchase me at the link in the description. So, I'm profitable again, $266.08. Now it's time for the final trade. I want to cross the $1,000 mark. I'm investing $594.58. The final signal is higher. Friends, there is a contest on our channel with a prize of $1,000. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, subscribe to the channel, put a like and write 1 comment on the topic of trading. I will choose the winner weekly with the help of randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel. Subscribe. Link in the description. There our team publishes valuable content for your development. So, here's the final result. From just $1 with the help of accurate signals, I earned $1,076.19. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell. Bye.